Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day. While I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves.
And I always fly the old planes, the old business class to Africa. These are the old seats, not like the new ones when I fly to Chicago. Totally different. Nowhere near as nice. So on my Air France flight, I got red wine that was been aging since 2018. So this is what, a 6-year-old wine. And this thing is cheese with granola and hazelnuts. It had a little flavor in it. It got a little, like, seasoning or something. It's good. It's straight up cheese. This is the appetizer, salad, some barley thing, shrimp with nuts. Everything has nuts in it. The salad has some kind of nuts in it too. This hotel is so cute. This is the Kwetu Hotel, which means home or my place. This is my room. Definitely, I feel like I had butler service because he gave me such a... This is the phone in my room in Nairobi. It's a real phone. It's a real phone. Listen. You hear that? Dial tone. And you actually, you use that phone to call for the things that you need in your room. So I called the front desk to get connected to dining to order room service using this phone. And it's heavy, like an old-fashioned phone. This phone is so cute. It's so nice. It just takes me back to the days when we actually used to call on actual real phones and not these cell phones. Back in the day when there was only 3-way calling you had was to have somebody to hold on, and then you had to click the dial tone and dial the number for your 3-way caller to click somebody back on. You know what I mean? Y'all youngins don't know what I mean, but this is so cool. It's nostalgia. I mean, I'm not this old where the phone would look like this, but I'm definitely old enough to remember the 90s and the 80s. Needless to say, I'm impressed with this Kwetu Hotel. That's the name of the hotel. Look at my room service. Look at this. These are so cute. They're not plastic. This is glass. This is straight up glass. It reminds me of little bowls that you see at Japanese restaurants that they put sushi in. These are super fancy. Yes, I ordered fries. I'm hungry. I need something familiar. And I ordered, it smells good, child. And I ordered some steak skewers. So I think they call them sirloin skewers. Oh, well, I didn't even know they even came with bread. I thought they just came with the meat. So this is like the ciabatta bread that they have. And here is the meat. And looks like some salad with chimichurri sauce and fries. Delicioso. It smells delicious. Girl, I'm about to eat. Needless to say, I'm impressed with this Kwetu Hotel. That's the name of the hotel. Look at my room service. Look at this. These are so cute. They're not plastic. This is glass. This is straight up glass. It reminds me of little bowls that you see at Japanese restaurants that they put sushi in. These are super fancy. Yes, I ordered fries. I'm hungry. I need something familiar. And I ordered, it smells good, child. And I ordered some steak skewers. So I think they call them sirloin skewers. Oh, well, I didn't even know they even came with bread. I thought they just came with the meat. So this is like the ciabatta bread that they have. And here is the meat. And looks like some salad with chimichurri sauce and fries. Delicioso. It smells delicious. Girl, I'm about to eat. I think it just cut off. But this is the room. This room is beautiful. Now, there's more lights. I'm going to figure out how to cut all lights on. But just look at the ambiance right now. Okay? I canceled my stay at the JW Marriott to stay here because of all the great reviews of not just the hotel, but the restaurant. Look at this. There's an HBCU. This is how you control the lights. They got everything's electronic, honey. Order from the menu, off the menu. I arrived late at night. They have air conditioning, y'all, and I'm hot. Like, people run around here with coats on, child. It feels like it's at least 72 degrees outside, which means it's hot. And look at this. This is a real phone. This is a real phone. And if that's not the cutest phone you've ever seen. And they have outlets here. So now they have the Kenyan outlets, which are the same as the British outlets. So adapters, but they also have USB. And look, they had snacks. And I thought they were fake. And I bit into that mackerel just to see if it was real, y'all. It was real. I sure did bite that mackerel. And there is the outside. Let me take y'all out there. Look at this refrigerator. You pay for that. This right here, I think the coffee and tea is complimentary. Everything else I'm pretty sure you pay for. This is maybe, is it a drawer? This is just a drawer. And then this is storage. So look how cute that is. That is so efficient. And then you have your coffee maker here with some waters. So cute. So nice. Let's go outside. let's just go outside real quick. Like, I'm gonna step back so you can see this. There it is. Hopefully there's no mosquitoes out right now. I don't know. But I'm hoping there's no mosquitoes out. I don't think there's, it's just not, I don't think it's hot enough here for mosquitoes. Could be. You never know. Let me close this a little bit. And look, this is the outside patio. I forgot I got a room with a balcony. So cute. 2 seats out here. I'm gonna be out here sipping coffee in the morning, chilling. I will be using this to work as well because I'm working. There's the pool. Look at that statue. Like, I'm gonna do a video of this in the morning, but this is just the nighttime view. So cute. And the pool is so peaceful right now, so I also want to film the pool while no one's in it. And like, that's a real tree. This is a beautiful, beautiful property. And it's like hidden away. So like, you really have to be focused and paying attention on how to get into this property. So cute. So here is another look at the room from standing at the balcony. And then let's go ahead and go into the bathroom. What's also nice here is that there are outlets everywhere. There's a bunch of outlets. So if you have all your adapters, you can charge like crazy. So here is the bathroom. So you got the toilet, you got the little booty washer. You got, these mirrors are the bomb. Okay, these mirrors, nice, honey, nice. Of course, you got your makeup mirror. That's probably gonna look super weird. This is the deepest sink. This is gonna be the deepest sink I've ever seen in the bathroom. This thing is deep. You could put a whole baby in this thing and wash the baby. Okay, give the baby a bath in that deep sink. That's like a kitchen sink. So looks like they got body lotion, body wash. I don't use that kind of stuff. I bring my own, but there's more here. Plenty of towels. I'm pretty sure you can't steal their towels. Like, you know, y'all be trying to do. I mean, I don't be doing that. You know what I mean? Oh, and then they give you some toiletries. Hopefully they don't charge you for it. I don't know. But they give you toothbrush, shaving kit, comb, shower cap, and a vanity kit. So that must be like for your sewing. Looks like something here is for maybe shaving or something. This looks like an American. Looks like you could put an American plug in here. I don't know. And then there's this. What is this? Audio control. Child, this is so fancy. This hotel fancy, honey. Fancy. And I just got off the plane. I've been flying for 8 hours. I'm tired. I got here late. But, ooh, girl. Hotel nice, honey. Nice. Let me brush my teeth. Lord Jesus. Look at this tile. This tile textured. Ooh, that's some nice tile. This kind of tile you want inspiration for your house. Ooh. That tile is textured, and it's textured onto this tile, which I see all the time in Ghana. But I've never seen this textured tile. It's a really nice tile. I kind of really like how they did this. Like, what is this? Like a cubby hole? Super cute. It has like a light behind it too, which is also really cool. And so, if you're wondering how to close the door, it looks like there is a... Ooh. Okay, these are pocket doors. You damn sure don't got no privacy, so you better know whoever you with real good. You staying in this hotel. Let me tell you, I better be, you know, I better be serious. Our family, because somebody gonna see you butterball naked, and it doesn't lock, which I'm okay with. I don't care. I mean, maybe they can't see from the outside the way it looks, but from the inside, it looks like you can definitely see out. But maybe from the outside, they can't see in. It doesn't really matter. I'm here by myself. And then you have the closet, and it comes like, so the guy gave me the tour, and in this bag were these slippers. So they give you a pair of slippers to use, and two robes. Ooh, that's a good quality, honey. That is heavy. Ooh, put that on. Putting that on as soon as I take a shower. Ooh, my coat got dirty. And then this is the other portion. And then here, I think you have a hair dryer. So there's that. And then here is like a giant safe. Yeah. And they also do laundry, so you can get laundry stuff done here too. What? They got extra stuff out? I don't know. It looks like they have... Oh, they have flashlight, so the power goes out. Well, that's smart. Look at that. You lift it up and there's a flashlight. Oh, this hotel, they serious. That's serious business. I love it. And you have a big safe. So this safe, you definitely can put all your valuables in there, laptops, electronics, all that stuff. So that is the tour of my Kwetu room in Nairobi, Kenya, in the Westlands, and it is so cute. I love it. Great start to my little mini vacation.